The Dow dropped nearly 250 points Wednesday. Manufacturing stocks like Boeing losing further ground as investors fret over the impact of new trade tariffs. Reports say President Donald Trump plans to slap tariffs on up to $60 billion of Chinese imports. Pictet Asset Management Chief Strategist Luca Paolini.
One reason why we are seeing this kind of volatility in markets is worried about trade wars. Obviously, trade wars, if they get really serious, is a huge problem because it means lower growth and higher inflation at a time when inflation is already going higher. So I think that's the main reason, but also some of the stocks, especially some industrial stocks that were very, very expensive.
Shares of Qualcomm and Broadcom fell. The Singapore-based chipmaker withdrew its bid for San Diego-based Qualcomm. Broadcom says it'll pursue other targets. Ford shares rose. Morgan Stanley upgraded the stock to overweight and hiked its earnings forecast. Separately, Ford said it's recalling 1.4 million vehicles in North America for potentially loose steering wheel bolts. Walmart shares eased. The largest U.S. retailer is expanding its grocery home delivery service to more than 100 metro areas, up from 6 cities now. In economics news, retail sales fell for the third straight month. That cooled concerns that the Federal Reserve could raise interest rates more than 3 times in 2018. Fears of trade wars spooked investors in Europe, too, pressuring equities to close flat.